Toyota has established a reputation for producing vehicles that incorporate superb quality, rugged durability, and legendary reliability into each model. And nowhere is this more obvious than in its highly efficient electrified lineup, which includes hybrid electric, plug-in hybrid electric, and battery electric models. But efficiency isn't the only story with these vehicles. Nearly every electrified vehicle in Toyota's lineup offers the exceptional traction of all-wheel drive. Let's take a closer look at how these systems work to improve traction in a variety of conditions. What makes this electrified approach stand out? Unlike four-wheel drive systems, Toyota's electrified all-wheel drive systems are not ruggedized for heavy-duty use. They also do not use a two-speed transfer case or any mechanical connection between the front and rear wheels. Instead, these front-wheel drive-based systems are fully automatic and don't require any driver inputs to operate, utilizing an electronically controlled motor generator located on the rear axle. This standalone unit delivers power to the rear wheels as needed and even regenerates electricity during coasting or braking. Because it's independently controlled, power to the rear wheels is managed in ways that cannot be achieved with a conventional four-wheel drive system. This is part of the secret sauce of how exceptional traction is achieved. Let's take a closer look. A vehicle's traction is determined by how much tire, also known as the contact patch, grips the road. In slippery conditions, the advantage of having all-wheel drive is clear. By providing power to all four contact patches, the system can enhance traction, helping the vehicle remain stable. Onboard computers monitor each wheel's speed, and if slippage is detected, power can be delivered independently to either front or rear axle as needed to aid traction. If necessary, the brakes can be applied to transfer power from a slipping wheel to one with the most grip. What makes Toyota's electrified all-wheel drive systems stand out is their ability to help maximize each tire's contact patch even in dry, ideal conditions. For instance, when accelerating in a turn, a front-wheel drive vehicle utilizes the tire's front two contact patches to accelerate and steer the vehicle at the same time, sometimes overwhelming the traction available. But thanks to these electronic all-wheel drive systems, monitoring data points like wheel speed, steering angle, vehicle speed, throttle demand, and the yaw rate, which is the amount the vehicle rotates while turning. These factors are then used to determine how much power needs to go to the rear wheels to proactively manage traction regardless of road conditions, allowing the front contact patches to prioritize steering and keep the vehicle on the driver's intended line. By maximizing each tire's contact patch for maximum grip, electronic all-wheel drive systems enhance driver confidence at every turn, resulting in an even more secure and enjoyable drive. Electronic on-demand all-wheel drive delivers vehicle power to the rear wheels, but only when it's needed. Offered on vehicles with the Toyota hybrid system or plug-in hybrid electric powertrains, this system only delivers power to the front wheels for maximum efficiency during normal driving. Since it's proactive, electronic on-demand all-wheel drive can determine when to activate the rear motor generator for additional traction. When accelerating from a stop, for example, the rear motor generator engages for smoother, more powerful acceleration. Once the vehicle is cruising at a steady state, the system reverts to two-wheel drive mode, allowing it to operate as efficiently as possible. Electronic on-demand all-wheel drive is just the start. Toyota also offers a more powerful electronic all-wheel drive system designed with performance in mind for an even more exhilarating drive. Full-time electronic all-wheel drive is available on vehicles with the Hybrid Max powertrain. This system uses a more powerful rear motor generator and drives all four wheels constantly, meaning this system is always ready to deliver on the fun. Of course, similar to electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, this system still enhances grip in slippery conditions, starting from a stop and accelerating through a turn. What sets full-time electronic all-wheel drive apart, however, is that it can direct much more power to the rear wheels, up to 80% of system output in fact, resulting in a rear drive bias under certain conditions. power is distributed to the wheels in a manner that allows the front contact patches to utilize their maximum grip more for steering the car, while the rear contact patches provide even more traction for acceleration. This performance-minded approach to all-wheel drive is a huge part of why hybrid max vehicles are so fun to drive, and why electrified Toyota models are so capable whether rain or shine. When it comes to battery electric vehicles, Toyota continues to innovate with an all-wheel drive system that takes full advantage of the powertrain's instant torque and precise power delivery, all while giving the driver the best of both worlds. In normal mode, this clever all-wheel drive system distributes the power from the front and rear motor generators evenly across all four wheels for optimum torque distribution, resulting in a confidence-inspired drive under all weather conditions. On the other hand, Eco Mode allows the system to operate similarly to electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, prioritizing efficiency by relying mainly on the front motor generator, activating the rear motor generator only when additional traction is needed. In addition, the all-wheel drive system found in Toyota battery electric vehicles includes X Mode, which features multiple settings that optimize power delivery for different types of road surfaces at low speeds. So that's a quick look at how Toyota's electronic all-wheel drive systems can improve traction and increase the fun factor, whether through the increased grip provided by part-time, the exhilarating performance of full-time, or the versatility of all-electric all-wheel drive. To learn more about the different drivetrain systems across the Toyota lineup, visit toyota.com.